This is Ethan. He's got hiccups. 6 days old now.
Is it a centre parting?
Yeah. Ethan used to have hiccups regularly in his mummy's tummy. And now we get to hear them too. Hmm? Hello? Do you have anything to say to your adoring fans? Hmm? Anything to say?